Most people let their money sit in a regular checking account where it does absolutely nothing for them. You are essentially giving the bank a free loan while inflation eats away at your hard earned cash. It is a massive waste of potential. You need to put that money into a Revolut savings account where it can actually grow through daily interest payments. I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up in under 5 minutes so you can stop leaving money on the table. Stick around until the end because I will show you a specific trick to maximize your interest rates based on the currency you choose, which most people completely overlook when they first sign up. The reason your standard account does not pay you anything is that it is designed for spending and accessibility, not for growth. Banks usually hide their better rates behind complicated terms or long notice periods because they want to keep your cash for as long as possible without paying you for it. Revolut changes this by giving you a flexible way to earn interest while keeping your money accessible. It works by moving your funds into a dedicated saving space that is separate from your main balance, which also helps you avoid accidental spending. To get started, open your Revolut app and look at your default homepage. You will see a section labeled Accounts near the top. Tap on that to see your full list of balances. You need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this screen until you find the option for Savings and Funds. Once you tap that, the app will explain the benefits, like the fact that interest is paid out every single day, and you can withdraw your cash whenever you want without any hidden fees. Click the button to get started, and you will be asked to choose a currency. Revolut usually suggests euros or British pounds by default. If you want to see more options, you can click to show higher rates. You will notice that US dollar accounts often offer different APYs, but there is a catch. The highest advertised rates are usually reserved for people on the Ultra plan, which costs about 45 euros a month. If you are on the standard plan, your rates will be lower, so compare the numbers carefully. I personally suggest picking the British pound if it has the highest APY for your specific plan level. Once you pick a currency, hit Continue to see the legal protections. Your money is typically insured up to 22,000 euros, which gives you a solid safety net if anything happens to the company. Scroll down, hit Confirm, and your application is sent. The approval usually takes less than 5 minutes. Once it is active, you need to fund the account. Click Add Money and select the amount. Even if you do not have the specific currency you chose for the savings account, you can transfer euros or your local currency from your main balance. Revolut will automatically convert it into the savings currency at the current exchange rate. Now, for that pro tip I mentioned earlier. If you find that the US dollar rate is significantly higher than your local currency, you can keep your savings in dollars even if you live in Europe. Just keep an eye on the exchange rate fluctuations, because a gain in interest can sometimes be offset by a drop in the currency value.